Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this Galaxy Buds 3 FE, which is a fan edition. This will going to be replacing my old Soundcore Live P2, as you can see here. This got separated after 5 years. Quality is still good, but it's broken. So here, the Galaxy Buds 3 FE is a upgrade for me. So for the comparison for these two, this is really a big step up, as this one have ANC, this one doesn't have one, and there's no volume control, and it's just earpods, and then that's it. So let's start by opening this box. So this one I bought it from, actually it was gifted to me by my wife. So we got this from Costco for a sales or discounted price of $157.99. So it's $20 off. That's Canadian dollars. If you buy it from Amazon, it's $159.99 Canadian dollars. So here, inside is, of course, this user manual. Here, and this. What's this? Oh, this sets of silicone replacement for the tip, different sizes. I think this is large, this is the smallest one, and I think what we have here is the medium. So here, that's it. No charging cable or anything, and this can be charged to USB-C, same what I'm going to use with the S25 Ultra. So it's a transparent cover, like smoky color. Okay, so let's try. Really fits well. And how about this one? So yep, this one is like comfortable to my ear compared to this Soundcore Live P2, and this was released 2019, and this was released I think a few months ago. So I chose this because this is on sale. When I was watching some reviews, this really have a good quality with an affordable price. Let's try to connect this in my Samsung. To start pairing this Galaxy Buds 3 FE, which is a fan edition, just have to open this lid or cover, press this button, and it will flash with different colors, and then go to your Bluetooth. Then there you go. Then it will download software, then just check everything. You can read it if you want to, and then agree. To allow Galaxy Buds 3 FE to find, connect to determine the relative position of nearby device. So allow, access your calendar, access your calls, your contacts, send your notification. Then you're all set. So let's take it off. And there you go, it's connected right away. If I will put it back, and close the lid, it will be disconnected right away. So everything changed. So again, if you open it and remove the earbuds, it will connect right away. Like less than, I think it's 1 second or less. And you can see here, if you press it like this, you will see that there's an active noise cancelling. And there's also 360 audio. Turn it on. This one is good for watching movies. There's also equalizer here, like preset, or if you want, you can press the custom, and then you can also press this boost dialogue. There's also this ambient sound and off. This is really a good update to my gadgets, and I'll be using this every day for sure, at least 1 hour a day or 2 hours. And for the controls, the volume is here, and just press it once for you to pause the music, or slide it up or down for change of the volume. So this is really good. You can see it's really snugly fit in my ear. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.